Hey guys, welcome to Black City Wars episode 1. No, I'm not. Okay, well, let's go through here. You can sign up this ladders too. Watch this. Typical. Look up. Oh, now we gotta get a car. Dang, they died. Oh, guys, we're playing multiplayer. We can get in this thing too. What just happened over there? What just happened? I just bought these guns before it came on. Let me see how. Dang, they're pretty good. Okay, let's try this gun. That gun I just used. No. Okay, so did I use all my jetpack? Okay, let's go through here. Anybody? Who's getting this? I don't know how to drive because I played GTA no time. Ooh, let's go run in that and get that. Stop. Shoot somebody. I'm a cop. You. Who are you? Who you run into? This is a flamethrower? I'm not wasting my bullets. These people are weak. Let's go get. I'm gonna try to use my Uzi. Oh, when you film, they spawn right by. Oh, that player. Ooh, you have a jetpack, so. Oh, he got a good gun. Oh, it's a tap. Oh, this is like GTA but multiplayer. This gun's more OP than that. You wanna really go with this gun? Huh? Get away. Spawn here again? Oh, he didn't. Anybody behind me? Because the red stuff is whoever. Get away. What? What's this? No. You did that. You did that. You do that to me? I'm killing you. What's this gun? Okay. Guys, let's go. I'm gonna go through here, up the stairs. This technically like GTA, but blocky like Minecraft. 2 people up here. I think it's saying one's on the roof. You gotta go through a lot of stairs. Get on the roof. Make it up. Okay, let's go through here. Okay, we don't have no shield, so let's go. No! I won. I didn't lose. These people got a jetpack. You just kill me. You're pretty good. Where are you? Go through. Okay, if he was just in here, he must have left. So he's in here. So let's go. Let's get a better gun. No, you're not doing what I want to. You're pretty cool. Who's that? No, I'm in prison. Mess with me? What does he think you is? No ammo. 39. Okay. It's pretty good. Oh, I'm trying to go the wrong way. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's go through. Let's see if we can get this girl. Does she have the same gun as me? F you, girl. F you. Somebody's in here. Is that the dude? I don't want to fight him. I do not want to fight him. Oh, it's her. It's her. It's her. She's pretty cool. I have the flame. Hot boy. Hot. He calls himself hot boy. He's not hot at all. Y'all teaming up on me? Boy, F you. What are you talking now? Huh? Huh? What are you spotting? Who's that? Boy. I'm trying to spot that shot. We're gonna end up so for 10 minutes, so there's a lot of. What you doing? What you? That's your girlfriend? That's your girlfriend? Oh, damn. Why are you running around like that? You think you cool? Why is it doing that? Huh? Let's go get her. Let's kill her. Let's kill her. Oh, boy. No, boy. Boy, what do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? What you think? We're gonna have to buy more guns. I'm gonna run out of ammo lately. Let's go get this car. Okay. Let's get this tank in the beach. Yeah, guys, there's a tank in the beach, so let's go. I'm gonna see if I can survive with the tank. Guys, we're gonna have to stick to this car because it won't let me out. The car is like jammed or something. Because I ran it through the thing, so it might be jammed. Yeah, I know how to drive backwards some. With these cars on here. I've been playing it for a long time. So let's go through here. Okay. No! Let me go through. Let's go through. Crap, guys. Yes. No. No, guys. Oh, this car is like... I shouldn't do this. Guys, we're about to end the episode because we're stuck here. Bye.